a really popular cherry blossom viewing spot, but it's also really good. Ayan, let's go down by the side of the stream. Oh, there are fishes. Can you see the fishes? Lots of big fish. And a bird. Duck. Hi Bunso, Smiling Face Channel in the house. Asang ka banda ko? Sa Seoul pa rin to, in Dobong District. Ito, Dobong Mountain. Nag-start na mag-bloom ang cherry blossoms. Hindi pa full bloom, pero yung iba bumuka na. Siguro 20 to 30%. Baka bukas mag-ano na yun, 100% na. Si Bunso, you might know these flowers na yellow. Forsythias, yung yellow. So it's Pinklawan season in Korea. We have the pink cherry blossoms and yellow flowers. Thank you for walking with me in our on and off live stream. It turns off when the public Wi-Fi is down. Let's go across the stream. Let's get some shade from the other side because it's sunny. Cross with me. I'm gonna show you the view of the stream. So we will be ganda ng bulaklak. Official 1SP, thumbs up from me. Thank you, official 1SP. I gave you a moderator jacket. Ayan, you could drop your links if you want. Connect with Smiling Face Channel. So I will be walking along that path. Yun ang ating exercise and live stream for this afternoon. Ano tayo? Live tour of Seoul. Let's go. I love the sound of water flowing. It's very relaxing. Can you hear it? Ingat kuya, thank you so much Bunso. Thank you for the 3 thumbs ups. Yeah, we are back. Let's continue our walk.